Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Let me starting this video with introducing myself. My name is Aisyah Mahmud, you can call me Aisyah. I am from International Accounting, Andalas University. Today's video, I would like to discuss about COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. In this video, I would like to divide it into 4 parts. First is about general information about COVID-19. Second is about how COVID-19 spread into humans to humans. Third, about how to prevent ourselves from COVID-19. And fourth is about conclusion. So, without any further ado, let's begin with part 1. Part 1. We will talk about general information of COVID-19. As we know, since the end of the 2019, world has been stirred by the emergence of a new virus called corona. Coronavirus is a type of a virus that is identified as a cause of disease of the respiratory tract. This virus originates from the plains of China, precisely in Wuhan City. This virus is known to first appear in animal and seafood market in Wuhan. It was reported later that many patients were suffering from this virus and were apparently linked to the animal and seafood market in Wuhan. The first people to fall ill because of this virus were also known to be the traders of that market too. At the wholesale market for seafood animals and wild animals such as snakes, bats, and chickens are sold, they suspect that the new coronavirus is almost certainly from a snake. It is also suspected that the virus spread from animals to humans and then from humans to humans. Coronavirus infection or COVID-19 is caused by the coronavirus, which is a group of viruses that infect the respiratory system. In most cases, coronavirus only causes mild to moderate respiratory infection such as flu. However, now the coronavirus can also cause severe respiratory infections such as pneumonia, MERS or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS, all severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is suspected too that the coronavirus was initially transmitted from animals to humans and then from humans to humans. COVID-19 is also spread easily. How the virus spread? We will talk about it in next part in part 2. So, let's begin with part 2. COVID-19 is a virus that can be spread through the human's droplets such as saliva, coughing or phlegm, and then nasal discharge. However, this virus is also susceptible to the several substances such as antiseptic liquids and detergents. So, how if we get that virus in our body? What symptoms that we feel? There are many symptoms such as high fever more than 38 degrees, dry cough, flu, sore throat, limp, and shortness of breath. So, if you got that symptoms in one time, it doesn't mean you got the coronavirus, but it's better to check go to the doctor to check if you got that virus or not. Who are at the highest risk for getting COVID-19? According to the CDC, children do not seem to be at higher risk of getting COVID-19, but the older adults and people who have serious chronic medical conditions like having a heart disease, diabetes, lung disease, and suppressed immune system are at the highest risk for getting COVID-19. So, how to protect our family and ourselves for getting the COVID-19? We will talk about that in part 3. So, without any further ado, let's begin with part 3. Part 3. In this part, I will talk about how to prevent ourselves from coronavirus. First, we can wash our hands with hand sanitizer or hand soap frequently. Second, we can practicing the social distancing in our daily life. And third, keep our kids away from others who are sick or keep them home. And next, clean and disinfect your house with the spray or wipes them regularly. And then we can practice the stay at home because this virus can spread easily to our life. And then what if our family are getting the COVID-19? So we can separate them from us, like isolate them in one room so they can spread that virus to us. Here we are in part 4. This is the conclusion part of our video today. So let's begin. As we know, this virus is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. This virus causes many infections of our respiratory systems. It is caused the infection like flu, pneumonia, MERS, and SARS. This virus originates from the plains of China, precisely in Wuhan City. And this virus is the first appear in animals, and then the animals spread it into humans, and then the humans spread it into the other humans. And this virus is spread like easily with the medium like the droplets like the saliva, nasal discharge, and then the coughing. But this virus is usually susceptible to the the substances like the antiseptic liquids and also the detergents. If we get this virus, we could get some symptoms like a fever, flu, and also the lung disease and the shortness of breath. So if we get that symptoms in one time, we will better get to the doctor and check about it. And then how to prevent ourselves from this virus? We could wash our hands diligently with soap or hand sanitizer, and then we can using the face mask and practicing the social distancing. And then we could give the positive feedback to government and not complaining, and not just complaining to the government, because the government are doing their best. I think that's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We can also avoid the contacts with them and avoid to sharing the personal household with them. But if it getting worse, we can get them to the doctor, and the doctor will help them. We can also extra cleaning for all the high touch surfaces. This includes counters like tabletops, the door knobs, bathroom, and etc. We also can monitor the symptoms, like if we get the high fever, the flu, the lung disease, and also the shortness of breath. We can also go to the doctor and check if we got that virus or not, because that virus is usually is risky.